What are the potential consequences of biases in the training data of large language models, and how do these biases impact the model's performance and decision-making abilities? Answer: large language models (LLM) are trained using massive amounts of text data collected from various sources, including books, websites, and databases. Unfortunately, this training data often reflects imbalances and biases present in the data sources, mirroring social prejudices. When LLM are trained on biased data, they may identify and propagate prejudiced attitudes, underrepresented demographics, or topic areas. This can lead to a range of potential consequences, including: firstly, biased LLM can create false impressions and perpetuate harmful stereotypes, which can have detrimental effects on individuals and groups. For instance, an LLM trained on biased data may produce responses that are discriminatory, offensive, or biased against certain communities, such as women, minorities, or people with disabilities. This can lead to a lack of trust and credibility in the model's outputs, particularly in sensitive areas like decision-making processes, healthcare, or education. Secondly, biased LLM can reinforce existing social inequalities and exacerbate existing problems. For example, an LLM trained on biased data may produce responses that are more likely to be biased against certain groups, such as women or minorities, in areas like employment, education, or healthcare. This can perpetuate existing social inequalities and make it more challenging to address these issues. Thirdly, biased LLM can compromise the accuracy and reliability of their outputs. When LLM are trained on biased data, they may learn to recognize and replicate patterns of bias, which can lead to inaccurate or unreliable outputs. This can have significant consequences in areas like decision-making, where accurate and reliable information is crucial. Lastly, biased LLM can undermine the potential benefits of AI and LLM in various domains. By perpetuating biases and stereotypes, LLM can create a negative impact on individuals and society as a whole. This can lead to a lack of trust in AI and LLM, which can hinder their adoption and development in various areas. In conclusion, biases in LLM training data can have significant consequences, including the creation of false impressions, reinforcement of social inequalities, compromise of accuracy and reliability, and undermining of the potential benefits of AI and LLM. It is essential to address these biases and develop more inclusive and diverse training data to ensure that LLM are fair, accurate, and reliable in their outputs.